Hello dear students, welcome in this YouTube channel. Let's do this question. This is taken from class 10, chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. So seventh question is, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So in this question, what is given? A building is given and 20-meter high building is given, and on the building a transmission tower is fixed, right? So first of all, let's draw the figure side by side. So a 20-meter high building, and this is, suppose AB is a 20-meter high building, and on the top of the building it is a transmission tower. Suppose BC is a transmission tower. On the building there is a transmission tower. Now he is saying that from a point on the ground. So let's take a point on the ground. Suppose this is the point on the ground. D point is the point on the ground. So let's join this point with the bottom of this building, with the foot of this building. So from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of transmission tower. This is transmission tower. This is bottom and this is top. So bottom's angle of elevation from this point is 45 degree and top's angle of elevation from this point is 60 degree. So see here, from this point, if you see the bottom of this transmission tower, so this is the ray of sight, right? And this is horizontal. So this angle is given you 45 degree. And now if you will see the top of this transmission tower from this point, then this will be your ray of sight, right? And this is horizontal. So this angle is given to you as 60 degree, right? Building is here 20 meter given. So this height is 20 meter. So you can take this height, 20 meter this height, and we are to find out the height of the tower. BC we are to find out. We are to find out BC length, transmission tower length. So it's a right angle triangle. There are two right angle triangles. See here, right angle triangle ABD and right angle triangle ACD. What we do for finding out BC, first of all, in small right angle triangle ABD, we will have the value of AB. So we will find out AD. In small right angle triangle, AB is given 20 meter. So we can find out AD with the help of T ratios. Now AD is with us, right? Now in bigger right angle triangle ACD, we will have AD. We can find out the value of BC also, because this AC is 20 plus BC. We'll write AC as 20 plus BC. So we have AD value with us. We have found out in the first equation. So we'll fill that value of AD in the second equation and find out the value of BC. Again, I repeat what we do. First of all, in small right angle triangle, we will find out the value of AD because AB is given. So AD can be found out. And in second right angle triangle, we have now AD value. We can find out AC. And for AC, I'll write 20 plus BC. So BC can be found out. So let's write now. So it's written, let AB is equal to 20 meter high building and BC is a transmission tower. This is D is a point of observation. So where somebody is observing. So angle BDA is 45 degree, this angle, and angle CDA is 60 degree. Now in small right angle triangle, we'll find out the value of AD. So in small right angle triangle BAD, so AD which we are to find out over AB which is given 20 is equal to, see here, base over perpendicular. So that is cot 45. So you know AD over base AB is 20. Now cot 45 is 1. So AD is coming 20 meter, right? AD value is with us now. So equation number 1. Now in second right angle triangle, we'll write in a right angled triangle ACD. In ACD, we need to find out AC, I mean BC we have to find out. So we'll write AC in numerator over AD which is there with us 20 is equal to P over B, that is tan 60 degree, right? This is tan 60. See here, Yes, it is tan 60 degree only. Now to AC I'll write as AB plus BC, AB plus BC. So AB is 20, so I can write AC as 20 plus BC over AD. AD is a 20 here. Okay, so is equal to tan 60. So tan 60 is root 3, and here you can write using one number equation, because from 1 we have used AD 20. So now BC we have to find out. So this 20 will go here. So it becomes BC 20 plus BC is equal to cross multiply 20 root 3. So BC is now 20 root 3 minus 20, right? So if you will take 20 common here, so root 3 minus 1 meter. So height of this transmission tower is 20 into root 3 minus 1 meter.